All right, this is a week where a lot of people pay close attention to the forecast because
a
lot of people may be hitting the roads. AAA says everybody's going to be driving someplace, even if it's just down the road. So,
True.
Todd, no pressure, but here's the
it's a little
forecast.
less than previous years, though.
Yeah,
I think
would
there's
imagine.
a little less pressure on the weather this go around.
Yeah,
than
you
there
look
has
a little
been in the
happier
past.
than usual. On Monday of
A little
Thanksgiving
less
week,
stressed, right?
You've got longer fingernails than usual.
Alrighty, let's start talking about it because there's a lot going on this week, beginning with today. We've got one system working in right now. Quick look at the temperatures across the state. We're sub-freezing up in the mountains and north, and this is where we're going to have either a little bit of ice or ongoing snow, not only this morning, but again this afternoon when the cold air does arrive. But at the moment, mild air is arriving for the coastline, and that's going to flood inland. So our temperatures will be rising throughout the day. We'll top out in the low 50s, but we've got rain falling already. So it's a wet start across much of southern Maine, Portland, Lewiston, Augusta. And there are some heavy downpours working up into southern parts of York County right now, crossing the bridge and passing over York and Kittery and the Berwicks. Up in the mountains north of Route 2, that's where it could be a little slippery this morning, so keep that in mind if you're driving around up there. Eastern Maine, we've got rain showers for Bangor, for Brewer and Ellsworth. But as you go northbound up through the central Maine highlands, you're running into some snow. And there was a few inches of snow up along the Canadian border, and there will be a few more by the end of the day as the system works through. Sharp cold front with it. The rain intensity will be picking up through the day, and then it gets progressively colder tonight and tomorrow as we get another shot of Arctic air settling in for the middle of our week. Here's a look at the timeline today. We've got chilly drops this morning. That mountain mix, by the way, will be flipping to some rain up there. It is going to be a chilly, raw first few hours of the day. Southeast winds, though, should take care of that raw feeling. We'll have mild air work in, and we'll top out mostly in the lower 50s, but it will be a little gusty, that wind along the coast, and there could be some scattered power outages down east, especially where winds do top 40 miles per hour. The heaviest part of this rain will fall during the middle of the day and early this afternoon. As you can see in here, there will be some oranges and some reds, so that's some pretty heavy stuff. It'll taper off, but not until after dark, and I think that's going to lead to a really slow evening commute. Like 5 o'clock, it should be shutting down across western and southern areas, and not until 7 or 8 for eastern Maine. With this wind shift, the temperatures are going to be dropping, and they may end as a little period of snow, especially up in the mountains. So another inch or two likely there. It would be wet snow and kind of blowing all over the place. Then we clear out tonight and we'll be cold by tomorrow morning. So tomorrow in the middle of the week is going to be pretty chilly. Highs only in the 30s tomorrow. And those 30s hang on Wednesday. We've got this warm front approaching with a brief period of snow and or rain for the coastline. There could actually be some minor accumulation here. Then as we go into the holiday, a slow-moving, very sluggish system works into the northeast. And I don't think it gets out of here until the weekend, which means Thanksgiving and Black Friday. Both are going to be wet at times and kind of cool, too, with temperatures only in the 40s. Now, some good news is we've got ski resorts that are opening up. Sugarloaf, Sunday River, Loon, all opening up right now. And through Sunday, while we're going to get some rain out of this, and it's going to be warm today, we are actually going to see some beneficial snowfall. Elsewhere, there could be flakes in the air, but not much accumulation is expected, just some thin coatings, even possibly down to the coastline on Wednesday. With gale warnings are up, seas 8 to 11 feet, and southeast winds gusting to 35 knots. A rainy day and a windy one, high temperatures mild in the 50s. Tomorrow, sunny but cold, 30s. 30s again on Wednesday with that chance of rain or snow, and there could be some minor accumulation. Thursday, Thanksgiving, we've got rain showers in the 40s, and they linger through Friday. Finally, by the weekend, Lee, we get back to some sunshine, especially Sunday with highs in the 40s over the weekend. But as you can see, it's not a great week.
No, it's not. But you know what?
We got family.
A lot of us don't have to go to work for at least a couple of days, so that'll be nice.
Yep,
so,
that will be.
All right, sir. Thank you very much.